Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a free domain for your Wix website in 2025. It's really easy and quick. So make sure to stick around and full guide so you don't miss any important steps. Alright, let's dive right in. As you can see, I am setting up my Wix website, but Wix is asking me to connect a custom domain. I'll show you exactly how to use a free domain instead. First things first, let's design the website. Wix has ton of templates, themes and customization options to help you create the perfect look. Once you're happy with how your website looks, head to the top right corner and click the publish button. Now here's the catch. Wix assigned a default free domain to your website, but I want something more personalized, so let's change that. To customize your website address, go to your website dashboard and click on settings. From there, select website settings. This is where the magic happens. You'll see the options to edit the free domain, but we're not stopping there. Let's personalize even further. Go to your account settings located at the top right corner of your dashboard. Look for the site URL prefix. This is where all you can change that free domain to something unique and catchy. And that's it. Congrats. You now set up your Wix website with a free customized domain and it looks fantastic. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.